Welcome to Graphics Card Nightmares. Ha 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 ha.
Well, welcome back once again to JJ's PC Build. You know it is JJ with you once again. If this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, welcome to the family. Welcome to JJ's PC Build. My veteran subscribers, as always, much love to you for all that you do helping support the channel.
Jay,
Who is that?
Jay,
Who is that calling me?
Jay, you know what this says. This is your nightmare. Ha 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 ha.
What do you mean, my nightmare? Y'all hear that?
Oh, don't act innocent, Jay. You know who you are. You know this is Graphics Card Nightmares.
Yeah, I know it's graphics card nightmares, but what are we doing?
Oh, you tell me, Jay.
What do you mean tell you? I don't know what you mean.
Oh, yes, you do. You know what time it is.
Okay, so I guess I'm going to have to guess on this. So I guess I got somebody lurking over my shoulder. But y'all know what time it is. Time for... I better not say it because never know. This voice in my head might come back and bite me. So let's go ahead and get started on it and see what we got cooking for today. So let's go ahead and jump into the action screen. You know what all that is, the action screen. Let me fix my microphone a little bit. There we go. Let's jump into the action screen, see what we got cooking here today. Oh, we ain't got nothing there yet. So let's go ahead and pull up Google Chrome, see what's cooking on that. You know, I tried last week and did it with PC Part Picker. It seems that, you know, I'm going to do it again this week, and we're just going to go through it really quick and give you my final thoughts, and we'll go from there. So let's go ahead and type in PC Part Picker. Y'all ready to go? Here we go. PC Part Picker. Okay, we'll go to the builder section. We will go to video card. We're going to go from the lowest to the highest price. And we're going to limit the budget around $100. So this way we start off at $100 and see what's cooking for today. I know y'all probably don't get into the quadros and all that, so we're not going to go ahead and do that. We're going to look Fire Pro. Hey, y'all ain't looking for that. 560, 1030s, 7750s. You know, these are in the $100 mark. Now, for low end, I mean, seriously low end graphics cards. Oh, you guys know what I mean. GPUs. There we go. GPUs, low end. They're over $100. $100. So you're thinking to yourself, well, why are they at $100? They should be like all the way back to, let's say they should be below $25. You know, all the 1 gigabyte, the 2 gigabyte, 3 gigabyte, 4 gigabyte, 5 gigabytes, 6 gigabytes, they all should be below $100. Now, going up to your 8 gigabytes, they should be about $150, $170. Now, your 12 gigabytes, I know it sounds like that, I'm nitpicking at it. I'm not nitpicking at it. I mean, it's just common sense. I mean, people spend their hard-earned money, but they're not getting any performance out of the cards. So, we're looking at the $150 range. Is there anything good? I'm sitting there. Well, looks like you got the ASRock Challenger A580 ARC. Let's see. Anything that's worth viable. But the 580, do remember the 580 is in the $150, $170 mark. So that's good. We're looking for, let's just say we're looking for something spectacular to get through. They got the ARC A750, the 8 gigabyte for $209. We're in the $200 range. So, it'd be nice to see something better than that. A750, we're still in the $200 range. They got even the 1630 at $215. A630 or GTX 1630. They want 4 gigabytes. They want $215. Okay, that's common sense. That is common sense. Why would you do that? Why would you have it down there? 4 gigabytes of VRAM at $200. That's just crazy. I can see 8 gigabytes of VRAM at $200. But 4 gigabyte, anything that's below 8 gigabytes should be $100. Between $100 and $200. Now, between 8 gigabyte and 12 gigabyte, it should be between $300 and $400, or $300 and $500. 16 gigabyte, depending on the card, should be between $500 and $700. And then so on. It's just my opinion. But, looking at today, like they got a 3050 6 gigabyte, $225. Knowing that the RX 6600 kicked the pants off of it, a lot of people are not talking about the 3050 6 gigabyte from NVIDIA. They are really not talking about it today. It's just, it's like a blister on your big toe. And that's pretty much what it is a blister on your big toe. So, I don't know what NVIDIA was thinking when they did that, but they need to come up with something better. Way better. Especially when they put it in the category of the GT 710. They got that listed at $247.93, higher than your RTX 3050 6 gigabytes at $247.19. It's actually 80 some or 70 some cents more for the 710. Get what I'm saying? The 710. Oh my God. I don't know what NVIDIA was thinking. I really don't. I mean, performance-wise, it's not going to strum everybody. It's just going to make everybody upset. And that's pretty much what it did, and then nobody's talking about it now. A couple reviewers talked about it, but nothing else. I could say like, oh my God. I could say like, oh my God again. Is it worth it? Hell no. So if you're going to waste your hard-earned money, you're best off to get something that's better for cheaper of the performance. Now, that's the reason why I go through graphics card. Well, never mind. You know, if I say it, the voice is going to come back. So we're not going to say it. Hopefully y'all stick to the end with me. We'll get through this. You know, we're just going to go through and look at the $200, $300 range. You know, we're not even going to go up to the top range. We did that the last time. We're just strolling through and looking at, and the best place to go is PCPartPicker.com. If you want to see all the new GPUs that they got out, it's a great tool for you to price out how to build your PC and so on. They got great tools in here for you, so you might want to check them out. Let's see. Is there? I'll get more beeps on my. There are more beeps on my phone. Let's see. More beeps and more beeps and more beeps and more beeps. All I can see for the $300 range, they get a 3060. You know, they got the 6750 XT. Well, I guess that's sold out. But this one's not for $372. You know. All right. We're going to stop right here because we got a good idea of what the prices are today. Okay. Thing is this. With the prices, you get a lot of boos and everything else because of the prices, we know. And if you get a lot of boos, then there's a problem. Like I said. But anyway, for the low-end prices, the problem I see that's the nightmare of it all. The nightmare of it all is this. When it comes to your 1 gigabyte, your 2 gigabyte, your 3 gigabyte, your 4 gigabyte, they got it in between the $100 and $200 range. They're selling something that's so old that I don't know if it'll be able to keep up with the new current games, which it won't. But, you know, if it's got 4 gigabytes of VRAM on it, maybe it'll keep up with Second Life. Who knows? And make sure you got your drink and snacks, by the way. But anyway, I hope y'all like my new microphone. I just got it yesterday. I did a video on it, but I didn't do a video on this. This little sound center. That's what y'all are hearing when I'm talking. It's all running through here. Now I got this, and it's only $40 from Temu. $40 from Temu. Way happy with it. Seems to be working very well. I can adjust my voice out of here like this. If I want to go like very tinny and there, very tinny, and that way y'all hear me. Or I could take the treble out of my voice and go like that, mid-range, and then throw some bass into my voice. See the bass? And then throw some treble into it. There we go, with a little bit of bass. And what we do is we'll take and we'll throw a little bit, a little bit and give it some depth a little bit. So now I sound like I'm in a theater. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know I was messing around with some stuff and making up some stuff and trying to bring Graphics Card Nightmare to life. So I kind of played around with the video a little bit and kind of added some stuff and, well, added stuff like
The new voice. See what I got.
yeah, buddy. I got that on that sound card. I think it's pretty cool that, you know, I could do different things with it.
Like,
I could do like this. I could sound like you're killing me. You're killing me. No, I'm just kidding.
Or, hey, what you doing? What you killing me? Oh my god. Ow.
See? I do cool things with it. But anyway, if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, welcome to the family. Welcome to JDA's PC Builds. And my veteran subscribers, as always, much love to you for all that you do, helping support the channel. Until the next time in the next video, you know what this is, and we will see you on the next video.